People have reached out to me letting me know that they want to invest in a 30-day credit repair agency program, but they don't have the money. Trust me, I get it. I didn't grow up with money, and at the beginning, I didn't have a lot of cash to invest in my business either. I had to make some lifestyle changes like selling my car and keeping just one family car to make long-term goals happen. Was I excited about this? No, of course not really. But sometimes stuff has to go so you can make room for the big dream. If I were in your position again today and wanted to join a business program, but money was a little funny, here's what I would do. Oh, by the way, my name is Dominic Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program, and I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Okay, now let's talk about what I would do. First, I would eliminate. I would run through my bank statements to see where I was spending money, then eliminate what was not absolutely necessary. Do I need Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus? Can I change my phone plan? Question every expense to see if you can make cuts. Word of advice though, please keep the things that you enjoy and cut everything that isn't bringing you happiness. Next, I would set up automations. I like when my money works for me automatically. I will open up a new savings account at Ally Bank, Capital One, or any other place that offers free accounts, and I'll call it my 30-day CRA fund. Then I would set up automatic transfer into that fund each month on the same day like clockwork. I would treat it like a bill. Starting small is okay, right? You can always increase your savings as you cut bills and make money. Speaking of making money, sell stuff. I will put up stuff we don't need for sale on, say, Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or something like that. I can also try to pick up more hours or side hustle. I will ask to take on extra work or projects at my day job. If that wasn't possible, I would side hustle by offering a skill I have on the side for cash. Now, if you can't think of a side hustle idea, there's always low barrier to entry ones that you can try out like Uber, Lyft, Amazon Flex. My motto is this: when you don't see a way, you make a way. Now, you might feel trapped in your current money situation, but here's the good news. Things can do a 180 faster than you know when you start planning. So many people, including me, have been in your position. While there might be an obstacle, it's an obstacle you can overcome. Now, trust this. My challenge to you is to focus on the steps above for the next several months. Then, when you're ready to invest, we'll be here to help you reach your goal. And I hope to see you soon in the program. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.